Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to sort data in query using multiple criteria in Microsoft Access. This is incredibly useful when you need to organize your database information in a specific order based on different fields, making it easier to analyze and work with your data effectively. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Once the software has loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin the sorting process. This might take a moment depending on the size of your database, so just give it a second to fully load everything. Now, to sort data in query using multiple criteria in Microsoft Access, click on the Create tab at the top part of your screen. This is where all your essential tools are located for building queries and managing your database. From here, look for the Query Design option and click on it. This will open up the Query Design workspace where you'll be able to set up your sorting criteria. Once the Query Design field is open, you'll notice the Add Tables panel on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll add in your fields by clicking on the tables you want to work with. Simply double-click on any listed table to use its fields. You can add as many tables as you need for your query, so don't hesitate to include multiple sources if your sorting criteria requires it. Now, once the tables are added, it's time to add in the fields to your Query Design grid. Simply drag any field from your table down to the Query Design grid at the bottom of the screen. Make sure to add multiple fields that you want to include in your sorted results. This drag and drop functionality makes it really straightforward to build your query exactly how you need it. Now, once the fields are added, look at the sort column in your Query Design grid. You'll see the sort function option for each field you've added. Simply click on it and a drop-down selection will appear, giving you options between ascending, descending, or not sorted. This is where you can customize exactly how you want each field to be organized. Simply add in the sorting function to all the fields you've added to sort data in query using multiple criteria from descending or ascending. Microsoft Access will process these sorting criteria in order from left to right, so the leftmost field will be sorted first, then the next field, and so on. This gives you complete control over how your data is organized, and that's it. You've successfully set up multiple sorting criteria in your Access query, allowing you to view your data in exactly the order you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.